Okay. Okay. So this is the cable tester project. For this, we will need 9-volt battery, a couple different alligator clips, your little LEDs, and your TS cable. I'm actually using a TSR cable, but we'll only use the tip of the sleeve. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be completing, a circuit. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook our alligator clip to the negative of our battery. We will hook the alligator clip to the negative of our LED, and we're going to calculate the resistor that we are going to need. This comes out to, I believe, 220. So we are going to hook from the one end of the resistor. The other end of the alligator clip that is hooked to the resistor will go to the positive of our LED. And then we will touch the other end of the resistor to our battery. Which I actually might have this backwards. Now, maybe this is the problem. Now, in a moment, ladies and gentlemen, this is show business after all. Mistakes happen. Okay, so we'll connect our alligator clip to the negative of our battery, and then we will hook it to the negative of our LED, then we will connect our both of these. And we have now fixed our problem. As God said, let there be light. Now, what we're going to do after this, dropped our resistor, is we're going to use our cable. We are going to hook, actually we're going to use a different set of alligator clips. We're going to use a little bigger ones. Hook this like so. We're going to hook it to the tip. Actually, we're going to hook it to the sleeve of our cable. And the current will run out of the negative of the battery through the tip of the sleeve all the way up to the other tip of the sleeve, which we'll use this alligator cable for. We'll hook it on like so, and we will once again connect to the negative And then we will use this such. You know, I don't like that alligator clip, so we're not going to use it. Apologize for the length of the video. We will hook this to that, to the end of our LED and our resistor. Now, let's try this tip to tip then. So the current will travel out of the negative of our battery, and it will run through the tip of our cable through up to tip of our other cable, which will run on our alligator clip, and to our light, and we connect battery to light, and it completes the circuit. Now, I probably should have stated this from the beginning, but the way that we calculate the resistance or the current or the voltage that we're going to need respectively is by using what is called Ohm's law. Now, Ohm's law gives us formulas for excuse me, for calculating voltage or current or resistance. Now, the way the formulas that we're given are either current equals voltage over resistance, voltage equals current times resistance, or resistance equals voltage over current. In this case, we would use resistance would be voltage over current. And then we use a chart that we had to be able to read the resistors and determine what resistance that resistor would give us. And thus concludes our video on the cable testing project.